Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the viral monkey dancing on Roblox. So you need to play the game Sodah. I'm just going to go to a private server because I don't want to be annoyed right now. But you can actually, I didn't know this, you can actually you don't have to purchase the avatar, but you can I'm gonna just record myself here. You can go up here, and people use this one, the baby monkey one, try on, and then I don't know the exact bikini this monkey uses, so I'm just going to randomly pick this one, then some glasses, like sunnies, sunglasses. If I don't find one, I'm just going to leave it like this. Sun, what? Can I type hello? Perfect. Okay, that's good enough. I don't know. And I'm just going to close it, and then I'm to select the dance. Also, you can turn off the UI, but make sure you select the dance first. Go to emotes. And right now the trending one is pop music. I love the song, so let's go ahead and pop music. Talk about pop music. Alright, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. There's also other trending dances if you want to find it. Like here, the trending sounds are purple. I don't know what the yellow means. So there's the Not Like Us one. I can't sing the lyrics, I just forgot. A minor. A. They not like us. They not like us. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.